Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. Today's video we are going to discuss a full tutorial on how to start making your own cornrow. If you have been dreaming on how to start making cornrow and you're adorable, here is a practical video for you. After watching this video guys, you will never struggle on how to make cornrow again. This is the real beginner tutorial guys. Watch this video to the end because the video is so practical that everything you need to know, every step you need to take on making a cornrow is easy in this video guys. After sectioning out your cornrow, what you need to do is follow this particular step I'm about to reveal to you guys. Nothing hard here. All you need to do is to use the right finger, and in few seconds after trying it 2-3 times you become a pro in cornrow making guys. This is the very easiest cornrow making for all beginners. After sectioning out your cornrow part that you want to use as a beginner, you have to cut the front part out, then section it into 3 parts the way I'm doing. You can see the finger I'm using guys. Please watch this video to the end. You need to watch it to the end because it's a full tutorial on how to make cornrow. If you have not subscribed guys, subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and do well to share this video to get to as many that are trying to learn how to make cornrow. This tutorial is detailed guys. Watch it to the end and don't forget to drop your comment after watching it. You will love to watch this video over and over again and become a pro on your own. See you in my next video. Watch to the end and see the end result.